From worker to trader, day number 16. The previous day, day number 15, was just perfect. 8 deals, 8 trades. Trades? What the fuck is trades? 8 trades in a row was negative trades. 8 negative trades in a row. Uh, Today we already opened the market. As we can see, we're trying to break this level. Uh, Pretty obvious that we will break this level. What about our bias for today? Oh shit. It's so obviously that we will break this level. And then we can go up because we have a lot of liquidity over here. Okay, okay. That's first thing first that I see. Then I wanna try today to use one interesting thing. It's nope, volume profile. Volume profile visible range. Fixed range. Let's see about fixed range. For example, from here to here. Okay, okay. We can see. I didn't use the volume profile a lot of times, right? So what I can see, usually, usually we have reaction over here, right? On the middle of the movement, on the middle of the movement. So wait till wait the price to goes here. Or we can open our position right now to long position, but I don't like this idea at all. I don't like this idea at all. Um, why this shit it doesn't work? Whatever. I should open the trading view. Uh-huh. Or it doesn't necessary. Uh, Whatever. So let's see. Nasdaq, full charts. What? What? Do you see this? What's going on? Why we have reaction over here, but in the trading view we just stuck? It's very weird. It's very, very weird. What do we have here? We should be here. Wow, it's something. Okay, very, very weird. But anyways, okay, 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 okay. It should be VWeb indicator. VWeb. Okay, we have reaction here. I guess we should be a little bit more patient because here we will have consolidation before we can go somewhere. Uh, we had a lot of volume over here. It's pretty obvious. Like I don't know why we need this information about the volume if it's pretty obviously. Right now we can see it's the trap for the buyers, or it's just reverse. Or it's just reverse. Did we break the level a little bit? Not too much. Uh, what I can see. Do we want to go here? Who knows? Where do we want to go? 15 minutes range? Alright. 30 minutes range? Okay. Don't understand at all. Let me see. Yeah, everything is working. So, that was all the movement? Hmm. What you can see, guys? Maybe I lose something. I wanna see the levels of the 1 hour. I have pretty nice fair value gap. Really nice fair value gap. Over here. Boom. And we are literally bounced from this fair value gap. But we have another fair value gap here. Or it's not fair value gap because it's only one candle. But this is one candle too. Hell no. This is order block. Mm, it's very weird. I guess we wanna come back here, no? I'm pretty sure that we wanna come back to this fair value gap. Like we didn't fill it out, this fair value gap, and we start to go higher, which means it's probably the trap for the buyers. But where I can put my stop loss, probably over here. But I should wait until the confirmation. My confirmation will be the second or the third candle, probably. Right now we can have here the level of the support. The level of the support. Wait. It's pretty nice level. And yep.
Order filled.
I'm pretty sure that we wanna go down. Something like here. Yeah, because it's we didn't fill it out the fair value gap. We started to give the trap for the buyers, which means all the situation tells me that we should open our position. I guess it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice logic here. My stop loss above these levels, which is really nice, and above the below of the level of the resistance here. Um, it could be what if I yeah. I will explain you why I did this. It could be the level. Fuck, I forgot what I tried to explain you. I moved my stop loss because our level of resistance over here a little bit higher. Like if we will break this level, we probably can go here and then goes back. That's the reason why my stop loss a little bit higher. A little bit higher because if my stop loss will be taken, I should wait some time, you know. I should wait. I should wait some time. I should wait something. So yeah. Um, right now we are fighting for this area, but like I see here, it's like zero volume over here, zero. So we should take liquidity from the buyers here after consolidation and then goes down. This is my opinion. Let's see how it will be. Let's see how it will be. What about the time frame? Holy shit. hmm Holy shit. hmm But at the same time, when I see like perfect logic, right? When I see the perfect logic, like wow, everybody just see what a beautiful candle over here, like big as fuck shadow. So we want to go higher, and for everybody, it just looks like a trap for real. Like everybody wants to buy here, but at the same time, I realized that in this fair value gap, we didn't have any liquidity. I mean, we have a lot of liquidity for the buyers. A lot of liquidity for the buyers, I guess, for the sellers. because we want to take this liquidity, we want to fill it out, this fair value gap, at least in 15% on the center of the movement, and then we can go up. Right now, like it's very weird. It's very weird. So I opened my position. Maybe I should be a little bit patient, more patient, but I really think that we wanna go a little bit down because usually if we wanna go back, right? If we wanna go back after this huge movement, a lot of buyers will take at least 50% of the movement, 50% of the movement of this candle. Right now we have like 35, 40% of the movement, and then we have shadow over here, which means the buyers didn't have a lot of power to eat this candle, you know. So right now I'm really patient and I'm really wait until we have this movement on this fair value gap. And at the same time, we have probably some levels. This really nice level. Let me see how that calls. Forgot fucking shit. As you can see, it goes down. Okay. How that's I forgot. Indicator. Volume visible profile. Yeah, we're trying to go on this middle of nowhere. We can go here and have a reaction. Whatever. Whatever. Okay, I don't like this. It's so annoying. How to No, I mean about the volume profile. Fuck. It's this thing is just okay. It's a little bit distract me. Right now, I will not move my stop loss. I will not move anything just because, as you can see, we stop literally in the fair value gap, which is absolutely okay, and we will have some reaction, and then we can go down. Does it make sense for you? I guess yes. Like, we only started to fill it out this fair value gap. I don't know. We touched this fair value gap twice in the 5 minutes range, which means we really wants to go down. Like for me, it's almost obviously like we will not be able, like we already touched this thing, and then we just goes up. No, absolutely no. Probably what we can see here. Um, what we can do? We goes here, then maybe up somewhere here for this level of the resistance, then maybe a couple of movements, then boom, and then we can go higher, or we can just break this level and goes until this level and break this level and then goes up. So the chance that we will goes down, like for me, it's like 80%. For me, it's A plus setup. A plus setup. Not the best entry. Oh no, it's the best entry. On the 15-minute range, if goddamn English. In the 15 minutes range, we can see that it's not a beautiful entry. But in the 5 minutes range, it's pretty nice entry. It's pretty nice entry. So now we wait until this fair value gap will be filled out. Will be filled out. Will be filled, I guess. Now only one thing that I'm thinking about right now. It's how I can move my stop loss and when. I mean, it's pretty obviously, it's pretty It's pretty obvious that I should move my stop loss when we already have like pretty nice movement, and my stop loss will be somewhere over here, above this candle, above this candle. Uh, but when the price will be something around $800, something like this, right? Like on the break even, or I can, move my stop loss somewhere here. Already took some liquidity, whatever. The only thing that the second thing, the second thing that I am waiting right now, it's interesting reaction. Like how deep we will go in this fair value gap on the 50% of the movement or more. That's the whole point. The fair value gap, it's area, but at the same time, on the top of this area, we already have reaction a couple of times. Which means we have probably the limit order over here from the buyers. They want to buy this price for this price. They want to buy this price on this level, which is interesting. And probably they have the limit orders over here too, because it's pretty nice price to buy, like for real. Um, yeah, my stop loss already can be break even. It's absolutely fine. It's absolutely fine to have break even. Now we are wait. Yeah, probably even like this. So we have reaction. Boom. Do we want to go a little bit slower? No. $700. I am greedy or not? No, I'm not greedy. We already have pretty nice movement here. We started to eat this candle. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. So I should wait. Um, I'm not greedy, like $700, that's okay, but not too much. Not too much, and okay. Like if you, like look at 5 minutes. Everything is understandable, but at the 15 minutes, everything is very not cool. What about 1 minute? What about 1 minute? A little bit higher. So it's not even 50% of the movement in the fair value gap. My deal, my trade, my thoughts about this trade was we want to fill it out, the fair value gap. But right now we only on the top of fair value gap, so it doesn't make sense to go higher after this. Probably we still can go and test this level. Like here, let me see. Here we have level of support. Level of resistance already. So we can go higher and then goes down. And we have one more level, a little bit more liquidity, Uh, it looks like limit orders, not like somebody tried to buy this thing at the same time. Yesterday I saw one video and I forgot how this goes when whatever. Um, 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 uh, okay. My idea still working or not? My idea. Probably we should wait. It's not 50% of the moment. Where is the 50% of the fair value gap? I should mark this level. It's almost my take profit is 50%. Um, I don't like that we already start to come back. Like when I had plus $700. Should I close my trade right now? Or wait? Reaction, reaction. Okay, didn't touch anything. I should did not touch. We literally bounced from this level. I don't want to be, greedy one more time. I had $700. Maybe I should take this money, but at the same time, it's not my idea. My idea was to close the trade after 50% of the movement in fair value gap. So my idea was somewhere over here. Hmm. Wait, wait, wait. It's not like very greedy deal just because like it's 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Uh, let's see how it goes. It's very interesting. I mean, I should practice more about the stop loss, just because it's absolutely okay to have correction like here. It's correction. It's another word. I probably forgot what's the name of this. Correction. Who knows? When the price goes in the one direction, then she come back, and then she goes at the same direction. So that's okay. That price wanna goes a little bit higher because I mean a little bit higher, and then goes a little bit lower. That's okay. That's okay. Mm, but I don't like that we trying to push this price and we have no power. Like buyers have a lot of power. Wow. Mm, okay. No power from the sellers for real. Where is my sellers, brothers? We definitely will took my stop loss. Okay. I didn't expect this. For real, I didn't expect this. I mean, wait. I expect this reaction probably. Probably. Why I'm saying this probably? I expect that we can do this thing, but at the same time, maybe that already was reverse of the trend, of the short trend. Anyways, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. I see that we wanna sell the same at the same level. Like we wanna push the price a little bit lower, and it's probably the same trap buyers. When I see more reaction, like yeah, we trying to goes lower. Yep. Hmm. now I'm thinking about like maybe I moved my stop loss a little bit early. Don't know, mm, not sure about this. But at the same time, like we had movement, so I moved my stop loss until correction that we goes down and then we can goes up before we can continue our movement. So probably my stop loss uh, should be moved after this movement, not before. Maybe it's nice experience. But at the same time, if we just, if we just reverse the trend, my stop loss will be taken. Whatever. Hmm. Okay. I don't like my thoughts about maybe I should take my $700. Probably maybe. But what if the price will go to $1,000 without any corrections? Um, anyways,
Order filled.
okay. Um, should I open one more trade? You filled out a little bit of this fair value gap, not too much. Yeah, I should be a little bit more patient right now. Don't understand, like, we didn't fill it out this fair value gap. That's really weird. I don't want to buy right now because it looks like the trap for the buyers. Still the trap for the buyers. Um, if we want to go down, probably we want to took this liquidity, no? It's very nice candle to understand that we wanna go down, but I should wait until the confirmation. I wanna see it, one candle after this before I can make my decision. Because we have this high, it's pretty obvious that a lot of people have the stop losses over here. It calls smart money, guys. Yeah, it's very interesting level. So we wanna test this level before we can go somewhere, Probably if I want, if I was the regular person, I will open my position here to long or to the short. If it's short position, I will put my stop loss above this level. So before we can go down, we want to take this liquidity. And for the guys who opened their long position, the stop loss will be here or here. hmm More patient, more patient. What about what volume profile fixed range? Hmm. How to use this bullshit? Like, I saw a lot of videos about this thing, but at the same time, I think I didn't understand what's going on here. Here, a lot of volume, but at the same time, we can't go higher. Uh, very, very nice this level. I really want, like, look at this. What is this price action? Boom. Mm, I really, really, really want to wait until this level will be tested. I don't like to open my position right now. More patient. Like, it's not necessary that we will touch this level, but for me it's very nice confirmation that everything will be fine, that we won't be able to see big as fuck green candle when I open my short position. You know what I mean? Like here, it's zone when we where we fighting buyers and sellers. So, so. I see that we trying to fill out this fair value gap. We're really trying, and we have imbalance here, here. So we probably before we can go higher, we want to test this. But at the same time, we already did this here, here. Still waiting. Still waiting. Now let me see. What if we just trying to go up? How I can understand that we're trying to reverse the trend? Probably it won't be here. Like most likely we will go down. But if we will have the biggest fuck red candle, it it will means that we want to reverse the trend. Right now I have really nice candle to open my long position. Like really nice candle. Biggest fuck shadow. We already take this liquidity, short liquidity, very 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 short liquidity, and we bounce from the level. Probably very nice situation to open long position. Not very nice because we still didn't have the confirmation. Still didn't have the confirmation. I wanna see. I cannot open my position right now. It doesn't make any sense. I'm still standing. Now I see that it's perfect situation to open short position. Oh, what the fuck is going on, bro? Right now it seems like a gambling here to open the short or long position. I didn't like this idea in my head. Like I should really understand why I open my position and what will be the end. Okay. So, if I want to open my short position, I will wait until this level will be broken and then goes down. If we will just retest this level, it will be long position. Then, if I wanna open my long position, what should I wait? Until this level and this level will be broken. Make sense? If these levels over here will be broken and then will be retested, it's different situation. Mm. I'm still standing na, 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 in the 15 minutes range. Mm. It looks like we still wanna go down. In the 1 hour? In the 1 hour? Not exactly. Not exactly. But I saw this picture a couple of times in the previous week and the previous week and the previous week that it's trap for the buyers here before we can goes down. So I'm thinking about here. Okay. 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame. If we will, if we wanna goes down, we will goes down after this level over here. If not, we'll just break this level, retest, and then goes up. We will probably break this level, like 100%. It's very interesting, it's very obviously. Yeah, we will break this level. And if we will break this level, we will break this level too. I'm still standing. Why the trading views doesn't work at all? Who knows? Maybe today is some birthday of somebody, I don't know. So. I could, open my position here in the long position, take this liquidity and then take reverse. It's so obvious that we will break this level, like, and then we will break this level too. Yes, we will. I understand that we will. Let's go. Yeah, yeah, a little bit more. Yeah, let's go, let's go. You will break this level. Don't bullshit me. And and boom. So fucking easy. Okay, I'm still waiting. Okay. Now I wanna see a reaction from this level. Not from this level, on this level. I wanna see reaction on this level. Mm-hmm. It fake breaks out. It's literally fake breaks out. I already can open my short position. But I wanna see the next candle. I'm still standing. Hmm. It's very clear break that we open the next candle right above this level, but I don't think so. I don't think that we wanna go up. I don't believe you, bruh. I don't believe you. Okay. After this doji, very often the market will goes down very often. But still, I wanna see how this candle will be closed. Not rush, not try to rush. Everything is fine. Okay.
Order filled.
Are you rushing or you dragging? Are you rusher or you dragger? So, so. Now I trying to figure it out. Where will be my perfect stop loss? Absolutely okay to put my stop loss over here, and it's pretty obviously stop loss. But right now, I don't want to see the movement to break this level. You know what I mean? Damn, I said about this level what will be in the price, and it's happened. It's absolutely insane. 1 million, 1 trillion of the percent that we wanna break this level, like 1 trillion%, because we already took liquidity from here. So it doesn't make any sense for us to go higher, like for real. hmm We could take these stop losses over here from the people who open their short position, and we see perfect reaction from my opened position, which means it seems like I did interesting and very accurate decision. But today it's pretty obvious levels. Like here we wait when these levels will be broken, but fake it calls fake breaks out because we didn't have a liquidity that goes higher. You know what I mean? We just break this and then that was pretty obviously because we took liquidity from here. A lot of people opened their long position, so we took them. Yes, absolutely. And then we can go lower. Only thing that I can use, it's levels and liquidity. Wait for the fake breaks outs or retest of the level. It always depends on the situation. Here I saw that we just break this level and then goes lower, then goes lower, and my prediction from the very beginning was that we want to break this level and then goes down. So everything for me told that we wanna goes down, and it will be it's already the second trade, so I will end this day for today, even if it will be minus trade, even if it will be the plus trade, I will close my platform for today. Probably I want to do stuff like this, like one or maximum two trades for day. It's pretty okay. It's pretty nice. I saw the reaction. My concept from the very beginning was the same, that we wanna goes down. So right now I'm just waiting. Maybe my take profit should be a little bit uh, lower, because if we will break this level, we will break this level very nicely. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure right now. Yeah, it's pretty nice take profit. Uh, p- Look at this reaction from my opened trade. Perfect, just perfect. Okay, Okay. Where we have liquidity? Probably here. Yep. Where I will understand that we really want to go lower. Probably on this level. If we will break this level, it was very important level here. So if we will break this level, like here, it will be perfect. If we just bounce from this level, it will be perfect too because it will be trap for the buyers. Like it's absolutely understandable that a lot of people they want to open. Okay, it's absolutely understandable that a lot of people want to open their positions over here for the buyer because they see the fair value gap. They was like, oh, he was already tested. But look at this. You really think, you really think that we won't go lower? You really think? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. It's so obvious that we wanna go higher. I mean, lower. Just because if we break this level here and then goes up, I was like, oh, that's bad. But we bounce here, not even here, not even here, which means it's still the trap for the buyers. Or I'm just trying to lie to myself. No, I really think that we wanna goes down. I really think so. Whatever. Right now, I'm just enjoy the process, and I'm not enjoy this big as fuck shadow. Oh no. I hate this candle. Yo, bro. Yo, bro. Yo. Why? And here we go. Here we go, brothers. Here we fucking go. It's for the preview, guys. Yes, preview or thumbnail. This is so stupid. so, so I can put my dick that we will break this level. I can put my dick. And right now, it's very dangerous situation. We break this level, and then we can go everywhere. Should I close my trade or should I wait? Max, just breathe. We wanna take this liquidity too. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I believe in you. Look at how we perfectly bounce from this fucking zone of fair value gap. Uh, Not yet. What about this level? Nobody gives a fuck about this level? I don't want to be greedy. But my idea was to take this liquidity over here. That was my idea. No, I should wait. I saw this situation. I saw this situation. It's order block. It's order block here. No, it's really, I really understand that we want to take this liquidity before we can go higher. Like, yeah, I don't want to, like here, I really don't want to take my take profit. I mean, to take my money here. Wait, please, I said I want to take my money, but not right now. Just because my whole idea on these levels. So, my whole idea is there. And a lot of people wants to buy here too. So here when we have plus $700, that was pretty nice situation to close the trade because we didn't have any confirmation. Like we can just reverse this trend. Right now, here it's not nice situation to take money just because we didn't take this liquidity over here. At the same time, we take this liquidity over here, which means it's really dangerous to hold this position. It's really dangerous. I predict this fucking market twice for this day. And at the same time, the market just fuck my greedy, you know what I mean? But at the same time, I really understand that we have uh, a lot of orders here to buy the price. So it's not real people who wants to buy right here and right now. It's limited orders. It's limited orders. So we're trying to break this level of limited orders because I see this reaction. We didn't have like something that I will say like, yeah, we fucked up. No, we're still trying to break this level. We're still trying to fight with this level. Still trying to fight with this level. I'm waiting until big as fuck red candle, and after this big as fuck red candle, I can close my trade, even if it will be somewhere over here. Uh, I'm not greedy. I am not greedy in this trade. I have idea in my head, and I'm waiting until this idea will work out. I really wanna, not wanna, but I should to go on my job. I'm still with you guys. I'm still with you. I'm still with you guys. I'm still with you. I'm still with you guys. I'm still with you. hmm If this trade will work out, my ego will be so fucking high. Like every movement of this situation, I just predict perfectly. And you know what will happen after my phrase right now? The market will fuck me up. Never say this bullshit before your trade is work out. But I feel really nice. Like um, I have logic in my stop loss, in my take profit, in my actions. I waited pretty nice. I didn't open my trade over here. I waited until my prediction, my thoughts in my head will be like this, break the level, then goes down. And now I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. I will come back, guys. I will come back. I should change my clothes because I very, very close to time to go in my job. Yo, bro, what the fuck? What the fuck? I guess it's still chop. It's still chop for the buyers. Because I want this situation to be in my side. My ego tell me this. I mean, it's still okay. Like, it's still good. All right, now it's not good. Mhm. 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 What the fuck? We want to take all the stop losses for the guys who open their short position, or it's just reverse? Or it's just reverse? Wow. It's very, very big as fuck movement. And I don't like this movement at all. But like I said, it's a lot of volume here. I want to see. Wow. It's the biggest volume here for the sellers and for the buyers. It's a very important level here. It's only what I know about the fucking volume profile. It's this red line on the middle. Red line on the middle. Let's see how it plays out on this red line, and I should take my foot. Take my foot. I'm still with you guys. I'm still with you. I want to see what's going on. Okay. So this is my food for today. It's a little bit of rice. It's a little bit of the. It's pork, I guess. A little bit of rice and a little bit of pork. Okay. Wow. Look at this red line. We literally bounce from this red line. Which means if we will break this red line, it will be over for everybody. And now, wait, I'm sorry. Come on, guys. So a lot of people they see this red line and they were like, okay, go long. Somebody really doing this. Okay. If we really will break this line and we after this candle we'll do one red candle more, it will be awesome. But I should go in my fucking job. Guys, I should go in my job. Guys. Okay. Pretty nice movement. Pretty nice movement. Pretty smooth. Why this fucking red line just jumps? I don't like this. I don't like this at all. How to... What I did? Fuck. Volume, profile, cancel. Okay. So. I didn't expect that we will consolidate here. I didn't expect this, guys. Bruh. Mm, Consolidate. 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 When I see this movement after fair value gap, like we just a little bit touch this area, it's always, I mean, 90% of the situations this level will be broken. What about this level? Mm, Not too many times, like 50-50%. 50-50%. I am not sure this phrase exists in the English language, but anyway. We touch here the fair value gap twice, then we come back, break a little bit, then goes higher. But look at this area, bruh. Nobody gives a fuck about this area you want me say. You want to say me. Like, I really don't think so. Like, what about 1 hour? Yeah, in 1 hour, the same city. What the fuck was that? In the 1 hour, the same situation. Like, look here. After we retest this fair value gap, a lot of people open their position here in the long position. We retest this level, and we still have these long positions because we probably didn't took the stop losses here. Then we come back here, boom, bam, and then I think we wanna really fill it out this fair value gap. I have not too many time to sit here. Fuck. Yeah, what a beautiful life to work in the job, huh? I don't like, idea to take 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. If I would take 1-to-1, I will had like 2+ trades. But who knows? I can bet my dick on this deal that we will break this level. Oh shit, my dick. Whoa. Okay, it doesn't. It's not funny. Let me see. This equilibrium, right? Come on, bruh. We already saw this. Come on. Don't bullshit me. Look here, bruh. Look here, 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 here. And you want me to say that we just bounce from this? Don't bullshit me, bruh. Don't bullshit me. Like, look at this, bruh. Look at this. You wanna bullshit me? I don't think so, guys. I don't think so at all. I already should go on my job, guys. I already should go on my job. Or I will sit here for another 5 minutes more. Because before I go in my job, I wanna move my stop loss until plus $200 or $300 probably, or I don't know. And I bet my dick on this trade, so I'm just joking, guys. La 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 la. What's the movement? La 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 la. I wanna go restroom. Oh shit, I really wanna go restroom. Okay. And my dick is big. My dick is. What? Okay. Sometimes when we create this kind of levels, we want to break them after correction. After movement like here, and then break all this liquidity from here. Or we just can't break all these levels, and we just reverse the trend. Bruh, 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 bruh. Maybe I should change my um, risk to reward ratio to 1 to 1, because in other words, I already could, close my $1,000 and then just go breathe some air wherever. But right now I'm fighting, I'm still waiting. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I'll come back 1 second. Mm. Hmm. Here we didn't goes down. We just goes up. For real? Hmm. There is no way. Hmm. I can use this candle to move my stop loss. But I should go on my fucking job, bro. Okay, guys, I will go to my job, and in my job, I will show you the result of this trade. See you. Right, that kinda pissed me off. The first trade was almost plus $700, but the price didn't give me the key to put my stop loss in the better position than $60. So I put my stop loss at the $60 and my stop loss was taken. So then what? Then I had the second trade
with plus $600, and the same situation. Just after fucking 2 hours, I waited for this trade 2 hours. I hit my stop loss in minus $450. What I'm thinking right now, probably I want to switch my trades to 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, because it's kind of really pissed me off. Like, I can't move my stop loss in a better position than that you can see. Like, the price didn't give me the key. She just bounced like this. Like, what the hell, bro? Like, it's kind of pissed me off. But if I had like risk to reward ratio 1-to-1, I get my 2 trades with plus $600, and that's it. I'm done for today. Like, but I should have like $1,200 for today, but I have minus $400 just because I waited for 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Holy shit, bro! It started to. I started to realize that it's kind of bullshit, you know. If the price didn't give you the key for move your stop loss in the better position, so fuck it. Just take your 1-to-1 risk to reward, and that's it. Yeah. Kind of really pissed me off this day, but anyways, it is what it is. Probably tomorrow I will switch to 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, plus I will save my time, because when you waited for your trade 2 hours, you're already tired. Like, you just don't give a fuck about it will be take profit or it will be a stop loss, but you started to feel really disgusting feeling, like, oh bro, just hit take profit or stop loss, whatever. It shouldn't be like that. I wanna open my trade, and after 5 minutes or 15 minutes just close this trade and go live my life,
Then I decided to open one more trade because I saw a cluster of the levels that was pretty nice, pretty fast deal, 2 or 3 minutes, and I took my money.
Just like I said, I recorded video like probably 5 minutes ago about that I want to take really fast trades. I saw that we have probably like 4 or 5 candles at the same level on the bottom, and I was like, bro, I will just take this liquidity and then I just close my trade. Boom, we take liquidity, I close the trade, 2 or 3 minutes in the trade, plus $500. Bro, I waited for minus $455, fucking 2 hours. Yes, I risked it with 2 contracts. Yeah, my risk to reward ratio wasn't that good, but I was like, I really understand that we want to take this liquidity. Like, if there was like minus $300 or $400, I would just close my trade. But anyways, like, just the whole point, 5 minutes plus $500, that's it. And I don't want to trade today any longer, just because, like, I did my job, everything is okay. I took my break-even point, everything is fine, everything is good. Tomorrow we will just we will what? We will test the strategy 1-to-1 risk to reward, very simple, very fast, and that's it. It will be my strategy, I guess. See you.
Yes, I opened a couple of more trades, but that was pretty nice. I closed something around $600 more. So at the end of the day, I had something around plus $800. I will show you the result in the next video.